Hey, I want to demo a feature in FreeBlocks we released today. So FreeBlocks now has a prompt that you can send to OpenAI's ChatGPT and get back a response. So let me show you how it works. So assume you are a sales lead for Wix and you want to get clients interested in their free trial. You can go ahead, add the prompt here, click add availability, and what it will do is it will show your Google Calendar and your free times. Note that it will also take into account overrides that you can set in FreeBlocks. So here I'm only showing Monday. So if I click add availability, we'll go ahead and produce a message with my free times for Monday. So that's a sales use case. Note that we also could do it from a management perspective. So assume we want to discuss OKRs and finalize the upcoming quarter, because maybe it's the end of the current quarter and we're thinking about next quarter. So go ahead and click add availability. And then you can send this message to your team, let's discuss OKRs and finalize the quarter, gone through my calendar, and here's some dates and times. That one fairly convincing. It actually does seem like it could have come from a human. So let's do one more here. Let's assume you're a recruiter and you want to look at a software engineer opening that is right for you. So go ahead again, click add availability, and you compose a message. And granted, OpenAI's responses aren't always the best. So here, there's some stuff we might want to clean up. Possibly want to change the text, and you can go ahead and do that. And again, one thing to keep in mind here is, given the same prompt, the way we've configured the API in the background is it won't give the same response given the same prompt. That is configurable, but the reason for doing that is we want to allow you to be able to try out 5 or 6 different responses given the same prompt. So if you don't like the prompt it gives you, you're free to try again. One other thing to keep in mind here is we do have some advanced settings. So by default, we will cache responses. But again, if you don't like the response it gives you, you can uncheck this and put the prompt again. Will take a bit longer to go ahead and pull down the response because we're not using the cache, but that is an option. You also can prioritize response speeds if you just want some quick ideas. So OpenAI has different models you can use. So behind the scenes, we'll use a different model if you change prioritize response speed. Finally, if you don't want to have a response that has anything to do with your free times or email, you can use the exact prompt, and this will give you the prompt and response as if you were in the ChatGPT UI itself. So we'll only use the raw prompts you enter here. So that's about it. Some interesting stuff with ChatGPT. Interested to follow this and improve FreeBlocks integration as ChatGPT offers more options and gets more powerful. So very excited about this feature. Give it a try and let us know what you think in the comments. Thanks again.